When do we escalate to the CFPB? Well, I personally don't like the CFPB anymore because I believe, and this is just my opinion, the CFPB is weak. Yep, you heard me right. The CFPB is weak. This is my own personal opinion. You don't need to agree with me, right? But when to escalate? All right. You send out a round one, you make a complaint. You send out a round two, you make a complaint. So what you're actually doing is you're documenting the complaints of what was sent out and the response or the communication that you're receiving back from the agency. Furthermore, these responses can be downloaded or printed, and you can use these as exhibits now when you're taking an action against a CRA, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, LexisNexis, or you're taking action against a debt collector or a creditor or someone who believes that you owe them something and they're attempting to collect. So filing complaints is so important because it adds to your exhibits and it can be used very beneficial for the end result that you want in your case, whether it's deletions, whether it is remedy, compensation, whatever it is, it makes it much easier for you.